rights. The right to education, the right to clean water, the right to be safe. The rights are for all children in the world. But in Haiti, there's many people live in extreme poverty. This challenges children's rights. And in 2010, there's a big earthquake making this poverty get worse. But with only 100 yen, you can help us. There's a little box in front of 3W. You can buy some things on market day or donate straight into the box. The market day gonna happen in 11th June at 12:45. Help us.
Haiti is a country in poverty. If that is not bad enough, in 2010 there was an earthquake. This earthquake killed 200,000 people and destroyed schools, homes, and other things. And it also took away a lot of the Haitians' rights, such as education, safety, and clean water. We at least ask you to buy things on market day too. 100 yen can buy them 6 months of deworming medication, 1 tree planted and cared for by a Haitian student, 1 day of teaching 30 students, or 25 days of public health education for a student. So please buy things on market day too.
Children's rights are for children all over the world. We have the right to clean water and healthy food. We have the right to an education so we can realize our dream. But some children in the world live in extreme poverty. This means that they don't get to enjoy the same rights that we have. We can help children in Haiti get access to their rights by coming to
Market Day, June 11 from 12:45.
Please come along and help the children of Haiti. Together we can make a difference.